Hi, this is Chris 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the IronKey Vault Privacy 50 and 64 gigabyte storage. It's hardware encrypted, comes with business grade security with FIPS 197 certified AES 256-bit hardware encryption in XTS mode. It safeguards against BadUSB with digitally signed firmware, and it provides against brute force password attacks. It's TAA compliant. It is superior to using the internet and cloud services to safeguard data. It supports multi-password in admin, user, and one-time recovery option with complex or passphrase modes. It has brute force attack protection that locks out user or one-time recovery passwords upon 10 invalid passwords that are entered in a row. It has crypto erases the drive if the admin password is entered incorrectly 10 times in a row. That's very important. And it protects malware from happening on untrusted systems. Both admin and user can set read-only mode to write protect the drive. The built-in virtual keyboard shields passwords from keyloggers or screenloggers. It works with Windows and Mac, and as you can see back here, it says Windows 10, 8.1 and 8 is compatible with, and macOS 10.13 and above, but I'm sure it also works with Windows 11 since that is now the new standard, but do check on that before buying it for a Windows 11 machine. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.